Oh, Chay, Lenten season na. May mga decisions na ba kayo as a family?
As a family?
Hindi,
Di ba solo lang yun?
pwedeng pamilya yun.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, kaya nga tayo nandito ngayon kasi papakilala kita sa isang pamilya na alam ko napaka-meaningful kung mag-observe ng health. Together with their kids, ha?
Pwede pala yun.
Yes, at yun ang pag-uusapan natin FRC Fam ngayon sa Church Alive. Tara! Hi, Ate Lani. Hi, Kuya Pyong. FRC Fam and Chai, this is Ate Lani.
Hi, Lani.
And this is Kuya Pyong.
Hi, Kuya Pyong. Welcome to our home.
So this is Ate Lani and Kuya Pyong, mga kasama ko sa community that I'm a part of. And makakakwentuhan natin for this Church Alive episode entitled A Lent Reset, Observing Lenten Traditions as a Family.
Ayan, napakaganda po ng house nyo. Thank you for
Thank
bringing us
you.
here. Thank you sa pag-entertain.
Salamat po.
Yes.
Salamat.
Kilala na po kayo ni Rapi. So actually tayo po talaga yung mag-uusap
Oo.
ngayon.
Hindi ko na muna kayo papansinin.
Yes. So I heard po, you've been married for more than 13 years?
Yeah,
Almost
so
14?
Almost 14.
Almost 14. This November.
Staying strong?
Yeah.
Stronger each day.
I love it. I love it. Goals. And then how many kids naman po do you have?
Yeah, we have two boys. One is 12 and the other one is 10. Our eldest is Amiel and our youngest is Caleb.
So actually, yung name ng isa is Joshua. So Joshua and
Joshua,
Caleb.
Amiel, and John, Caleb.
We named them after the two
Spies.
spies. The
Alam mo
two
yun.
spies is
In the
brave
Old Testament.
spies who believe that they will conquer the
Conquer.
giants to claim the promised land.
Ay! Uy, may bago na naman ako katutunan.
That's
Dagdag sa
Joshua and
notes.
Caleb.
Nagdagan sa China. Yeah. And kayo po lahat nag-meet sa community.
Yes,
Yes.
nakakasama kami sa same community ang ligaya ng Panginoon.
Yes.
Kaya ang excited po ako malaman, and for sure, FRC fam is also excited to know yung family dynamics nyo, especially during Lenten
Yes,
season.
oo. Kasi alam naman natin, during Lenten season, it's not common to hear like families having like a group decision or like journeying Lent
Yes.
together.
Marami po kasi sa amin, parang, what are you sacrificing this Lenten season? No rice. Or yung iba, I will make sure that less you use ko of social media. Mga ganun yung usual na
Yes,
narrative natin.
Oo.
So medyo new rin siya sa akin that pwede pala siya maging family thing.
Oo.
Diba
That's
po?
right.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right. Oo.
So, in our family, we also have the same decisions, no rice. But aside from that, we have many other decisions that we make during Lenten season. And we normally do this for at least maybe 2 or a week before Lenten season. We meet together in a mealtime together, and we pray together on a Saturday night. And then we share we ask our children, we tell our children what are our decisions for this Lent.
So, usually, we focus on prayer. That's always naman every year, di ba? The
Yes.
focus of Lent is really prayer, fasting, and
Yes.
almsgiving. Ang ginagawa namin is we prepare our house for Lent. So, we put...
So practical.
Yes,
Parang
very
ganun.
practical muna, no? So, just to remind us that this is a special season.
Yes.
So, we put a violet cloth in our
Lenten
altar
symbols.
as a part ng Lenten symbols. Alam ko, I remember...
There's one Lent that also
Lent,
have a bowl of ashes in our table. To
Yes.
symbolize
Okay.
that we are in this Lent. So every time we gather together at a table, we are reminded, it's Lent today. Or in
Yes.
fact, you will be reminded, it's the Lenten season. There are specific decisions that we make that we cannot do during this Lent.
Parang naka-embed po talaga siya sa household, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Concrete
Oo,
reminder, visual,
talagang-
kumbaga.
Yes.
Actually, naalala ko parang ano yan no? Parang palaspas. Parang
Yeah.
pag nilalagay
Yeah,
sa
yeah.
harap ng bahay mo. Kristiyano or Katoliko yung
Sa may door. Tama.
Yes.
no?
Katoliko yung
Right.
nakatirahan.
So may ganun po kayo. Ano po yung mga pinag-uusapan niyo kunyari ng mga preparations naman for the kids?
Yes, tama na banggit niyo po. Parang you have meals
Meal.
together. Tapos medyo parang family meeting ang dynamic. But you
Yes,
also
correct.
pray.
That's
Yes,
right.
yes, yes.
That's
A
right.
family that prays together.
Stays
Stays
together.
So paano po nangyayari sa ganong dinner conversation?
So
Or
during
kung-
dinner, we of course we remind our children that it's we are entering Lent next week or a few weeks from now we're entering Lent. So you know that during Lent we have specific decisions. So like for example, this Lent, what do you want to fast for this Lent? So meaning when we say fast, things that you wanted to give up, things that you like, but you want to give up because it's a Lenten season.
And you want to offer this
Yes,
sacrifice
to the Lord.
to the Lord.
Wow.
In fact, our instruction to them is if you fasted on this specific item, for example, for one of our kids, he says he will not have sugary drinks. And if you're craving for it, the Lord reminds you to pray. Because, I have given you this up for the Lord. And then I'm craving for it. It's time for me to pray. Remind me that this is my commitment, that I need to pray. Because I decided to give this up to journey with the Lord in His suffering.
Yeah.
Naiintindihan po nila yun? Like, at their age? You said, like, the boys are at 10, 12. Like,
Yeah,
how do they receive those kinds of
they
conversations?
really understand it. Well, when they were still young, of course, we
Di
taught
pa sila.
them. We taught them the biblical story, how the Lord sacrificed, how the Lord saved us, what He did during Holy Week. Why we celebrate the Holy Week and why He was crucified on the cross, and all this journey. We really teach them all these things, and somehow, even if at their young age, you will be amazed that children absorbs like a sponge
Yeah.
all the things that you will tell them.
Yes. And sometimes, yung parang dahil nakikita rin nila na may mga decisions kami na ginagawa, they also follow. So, minsan, Mama, can I have chips? O, di ba that's your Lenten? So, sometimes you just need to remind them, ay, oo nga pala, yung ganon. So, minsan makakalimutan nila that they have this decision that to give up chips, something like that. But you will just remind them na, oh, di ba, that's your decision.
Yeah.
So, yung gano'n sabi, okay. So, it's okay for them.
So, sa meeting niyo po na yung pinag-uusapan niyo yung mga isa-sacrifice,
Yes.
kanya-kanya na parang,
Yes.
so what is, para tulungan kayo kung paano
Yes.
tulungan isa sa
So, parang hindi rin naiiba sa usual na
Yes.
naiisip natin.
Pero I think
It's
the
an
difference-
individual
Yes.
decision.
Yes.
Yeah.
But there's some sort of accountability.
That's right.
And support.
That's right.
I think yun yung
Yeah.
visible dun sa mealtime
Oo.
nila na meeting, no?
That's right. So, kami, as a individual adult, of course, yung mga Lenten decision namin, as much as possible, we have a longer time of prayer.
Yeah.
Kasi we do our daily prayer time together.
Yeah.
Sweet
Then,
naman.
Bonding.
while
Oo.
having coffee,
Start
with
the day,
them.
let's
Start the
pray
day
together.
after nasa school na
After
yung mga
breakfast,
kids.
we do
We do our common prayer time together. And then, yung mga bata din, their decisions is to, they give up something. So, minsan, yung give up ng isa, hindi naman din yung give up ng isa. Di ba? Kasi magkaiba sila.
Oo,
Mahirap
tama.
yun.
Mahirap yun.
Temptation!
Yeah. But we encourage them kasi we also teach them how to support the decision of
Ang ganda.
Yes.
his
Ng kapatid
brother.
nila.
Yeah. So, minsan sasabihin namin na pag kumain ka niyan, mahihirapan kasi decision ni brother na
Ni
hindi
kuya,
ni kuya na
Mm-mm.
ibang kumain. So, you need to support his decision. So, sometimes kakain din siya kasi hindi naman niya din-decision yun.
Tatago na
Pero
lang.
hindi kaharap yung kuya niya.
Tama naman.
Oo.
Basta
Diba, yung
sakto
ganon.
diskarte
Kanya-kanya,
lang.
oo.
Yeah, but it's also teaching both of them to support one another.
Mm-mm. Talagang may
Ganda.
family dynamic din involved yun.
Oo.
Huwag ka kasing magiging cause of temptation.
Pero minsan kasi
That's
pag magkakapatid, masaya lang mag-asawa.
Oh, sorry! Tas kain siyang chips.
Yes.
Are there challenges that you encounter both in bringing up those kinds of conversations sa mga anak nyo na parang Lent na, dapat may give up tayo, but also in the process of like the whole sacrifice during the Lenten season?
Yeah, I think the challenges is if one of the kid will really yung aasarin niya yung isa. Okay, so that's where the challenge.
So sibling is a challenge.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one of the
Yeah.
challenges. And sometimes I think in the decision making, sometimes they come, oh, Papa, I'm sorry, I forgot that I decided not to have sugary drinks today, but I drank soft drinks in school. So there are times like that. So it's not
Yeah.
perfect,
At least
but
umaamin
Yes.
sila,
yeah,
no?
but
But
that's
they're
what I
very
like because they
honest.
will tell you that they did something
Yes.
from the promise that they made.
And how naman po do you handle those types of conversations?
So we just tell the okay. So next time, you have to be mindful of what you
Decide.
what you drink or what you eat because you made some decisions.
That's right. Siguro yung challenges lang nga. Yun nga. Kasi because they are very young,
Yes.
di ba? Sometimes yung decision making hindi pa rin ganun ka-firm, no? So, may mga ganun na incident na nakakalimutan,
Oh.
di ba? Kasi sometimes we adult also
Forget.
forget.
Tayo rin.
Di ba? But,
We're not perfect.
Tama.
pero, ang maganda doon is they are very honest. Mama, nakainom ako ng yung ganon. And then, they are very accountable. But, in terms of, madali lang din kasi nga, with our family decisions, nasusuportahan siya kasi even at school, they are being reminded of that. Of prayer, fasting, almsgiving.
So they go to Catholic
Yes,
school.
Yeah, they
They
go to
are-
Catholic school
they are-
and they really teach this during Lenten season.
And also in community, they
Yes.
are also being taught of prayer,
Same.
fasting, almsgiving during Lent.
So malaking bagay talaga yung exposure at environment sa nagiging decisions nila over
Yes.
Lent. Or,
Tsaka
kasi these are
supportive.
hard decisions, di ba? Na
Yes,
parang,
yes.
I mean, at their age. Na
Yes.
parang,
Yeah.
bakit ko pa ito gagawin? Yung mga ibang friends ko, mga
Wala
kapitbahay
namang
ko,
ginagawa.
wala naman pa
Yeah,
give up ng
Ah.
sweets no?
Yeah.
Tsaka I think
yeah.
very gentle din sila with how they handle the conversations. I
Mm.
think that's also very helpful to your kids na nakikita nila, ay, hindi ako matatakot na magkamali. Not that
Yeah,
to
yeah.
condone the mistake, but of
Yes.
course, support naman ng parents.
Oo, kasi
Yeah.
parang it takes relationship with your children for them to go to you when they come
Yes.
mistakes. Na parang, when they commit mistakes, na parang honest lang sila. Hindi sila,
Yeah.
Yes.
That's also what we taught them. We said
makapart
we
ng
are
family meeting.
we would be happy if you tell us your mistakes rather than hide it.
And I think
Ganda nun.
siguro nakatulong din yung dynamics in the family that meron siyang time with each kids to like father and son
Oh,
date
that's nice.
with the
okay.
kids. So, nasasana yung mga bata na makipagkwentuhan sa kanya.
Mm.
Kami din naman. From
May
time to
mother,
time, merong mother and son
son.
date din kami, no?
Cute
So,
din.
pero mas purposive at mas intentional yung father and son date nila.
Mm.
So, dahil doon, nasasanay talaga sila paano makipag-usap sa amin na
That's nice.
hindi natatakot, na they can just say what they think.
May mga iba pa ba kayong decision sa practical?
Yeah,
Na
Meatless
paano?
Friday. Yeah, we do Meatless Friday.
Fridays.
Yeah.
Yes.
Meatless Friday.
Anong ginagawa niyo pag Meatless Friday?
So-
Malamang meatless, no?
So, sana walang
Paano
meat.
niyo dinidiskartehan ng Meatless Friday?
Naintindihan po ba nila yun? Or
Yes,
nag-question po ba
yes,
sila?
because it was also taught in school.
May
The
mga
class.
favorite kayo
Sa amin,
na.
yung sa mga kids is bangus.
Oh,
Yes.
Daing na bangus.
Classic.
And then for us, of course, gusto namin may vegetables. So, minsan, tofu and kangkong.
Yes.
Sino naman yung nagluluto?
Siya ang master chef. Is in charge of the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm the master dishwasher.
Very valuable skill.
Good
Kailangan-
partnership.
Partnership.
Good
Yes.
partnership. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes.
Parang sarap nun, Rap.
Oo nga.
Kuya Byong.
Oh, sure, no problem. May nakahanda akong kangkong tofu at bangus dyan. Lutuin natin.
Uy, sakto.
Let's go.
Yes!
Ah, tara.
Dave, tara.
Cooking show pala to.
Let's go!
Itaturuan namin kayo. Welcome to our kitchen. And what we will prepare today is actually two of our favorite dishes during Lenten season. So, the fried bangus and kangkong with tofu.
That's favorite of the kids.
This one we have
Favorite.
yeah, that's correct. We have at least half a kilo of boneless bangus, which is already marinated. We just need to fry it. We also have at least small bunch of kangkong. I think about 4 cubes of tofu. I slice it into half, and then about 4 cloves of garlic minced, and a piece of onion. So let's start to cook the tofu, which is we need to fry it at a high heat. So
High heat, hindi low.
Yes. Shallow fried lang.
Yeah.
daw.
so
Shallow
we can
fried.
just turn around the tofu, and hopefully we'll just cook it in about.
So parang isi-sear natin yung
yes,
tofu.
correct.
Sear! Grabe yun.
We also will fry at the same time the bangus, so it
Grabe
we can make this
simultaneous.
faster.
Very
yes,
practical
Yes, that's
nga.
correct.
Sabay,
So we can
sabay.
make it faster.
Yan na.
If it seasons.
Uy, ayan na.
It's
ASMR.
hot enough.
Hot
I
enough.
think it.
Or the shallow fry.
Sino po nagturo sa inyong magluto?
I started cooking, I think, 6 years old.
Wow!
Yeah,
Kala niyo
yes.
po ako.
Oops.
Ayan na.
Usually, pag ako nagpiprito, may ano ako niyan.
May shield.
May shield ako kasi
Oo.
takot ako sa talsik ng
Ako
mantika.
din.
Masakit naman po talaga yan. Sa mga boys niyo po, Kuya Byong, may tinuturuan din ba kayo magluto? Sabi niyo, 6 ang simulan niyo.
Yes, yes. See, Caleb is always asking, can you teach me how to cook?
Ah,
But,
They-
may
they-
interact.
Yeah, he can cook
Ah,
egg.
they-
He can cook
egg.
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 Noodles.
Noodles.
Okay.
Me
Pansit
too.
ikaw.
canton.
Me too.
Kaya-kaya.
Get along with your kids.
They can,
Very well.
Ito ay for si Pam, napakadali ano. Prito. Prito lang ang
Yeah, it's
kailangan
all.
natin.
Yes.
And may solution na tayo for meatless Fridays.
Pero we also teach also the kids that you eat what's on the table. So,
Yeah,
hindi ka
yeah.
dapat choosy sa
Tama.
pagkain. So, at a very young age, tinuro namin sa kanila na kung ano yung nasa food, we eat that.
kung ano yung nasa-serve sa table, kakainin nila.
Lalo na kung luto ni Dad din,
Of
no?
course, pinaghirapan. Ito po ba, niluluto niya lang tuwing Lent or regular part of the menu?
Sometimes we cook it on a regular day. Sometimes on a pag naisip lang. Pag naisip.
Depende.
And of course,
No problem.
the most popular yung munggo.
Ako, sarap ng bangus.
Ano kaya ang FRC fan favorite niya namang menu kapag Lent, di ba? Para share
Oo.
naman your
Actually,
favorite
share niyo yan
food.
sa comments natin.
Mm.
Pati yung mga ingredients,
Yes.
mismong recipe. Actually, maganda nga maisip yun, lalo na ngayong Lenten season like, to be more mindful of waste sa food.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Part
That's
din
right.
siya ng dapat na
But you have
decisions
to-
natin.
Sometimes you have to keep watch because you forgot that you have meat.
Ay, oo nga.
The mixture.
May nasama ka na mga
May kasama
maliliit
ka.
na.
Yes.
Parang galing Thursday to, ha?
So I always use tissue to drain the oil. I mean, at least
Mabawasan man lang.
so the oil can drip in the tissue.
Ayan, no? Grabe yung shine
Oops,
niya for si Pam. Parang ang sarap nung marinate, eh, no?
Mm-mm.
Kahit suka lang.
Yeah, so kailangan katapat niyan.
Mm.
And then ngayon naman, Kuya Byong,
Yeah,
gagawin natin.
we'll cook the kangkong
Mhm.
and then later
Okay.
let's mix it with the tofu.
This is the armor.
Ayan na.
Yeah, this is the
Oh.
armor.
Ayan ang panangga.
Kapag ako nagpiprito, I always, I need
May
to have
ganyan.
Yeah, you can cover this like
Yeah.
okay. It's slathering.
Okay. Ako
It's
mas pag
flatter.
ginaganon ko nga rin. Tama nga naman. Pwede naman siya ipatong
At
lang.
saka patungan niya ng pang ano mo. Kasi,
I see. Morning tea. Ang diretso lang na gisa.
Gigisa lang siya.
Resourceful pa kasi yung mantika.
Nilagay ko
Oh.
mati siyempre to.
Para yung taste.
Actually, this is very quick lang naman to.
Ano ang pinaka-sauce niyo dito sa kangkong?
Oyster
Pwede yun.
sauce. We
Mm.
normally use an oyster sauce
Oyster
and
sauce.
soy sauce.
Best friend ng kangkong.
Yes, yes.
Oyster
Yes.
sauce.
And normally, hindi na ako
Tansya na lang. O bahala na kayo for si Pam sa
Bahala na
taste niyo,
kayo.
ha?
Pero
Basta may toyo at
siguro,
oyster sauce.
siguro mga 2 tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Aha.
Depende sa taste ng ano,
Saka depende sa dami ng
sa
kangkong.
dami ng
Tama.
And
Tapos
then,
ilalagyan niyo pang tubig yan, Kuya Bio.
yes, we will put some water
okay.
and a little bit. Kasi yung oyster sauce medyo matamis.
Mm.
Lalagyan natin
Pang-dilute lang ng on.
Then we'll get some water.
First time nyo ba magluto on video? On camera? Kuya Bio?
Yes.
Nakaka-conscious ba?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Oh, parang
Ay, sa bagay, kung
parang
ilang years of
baliwalain mo lang.
experience. Kitang-kita naman na alam niya yung galawan sa kusina.
Alam niya kung saan nakalagay
Oo.
lahat ng gamit niya.
Yun ang very important sa pagiging ano.
So, kailangan malapit lahat.
Oo.
Kasi mahirap pag hahanapin saan mo. Nagsisimula ka na magluluto, tapos hahanapin mo
Tapos
yung
saka
gamit mo.
Ayan, ganyan pala gamitin yan.
So, nilagyan natin yung cornstarch pag sa konting lalapot yung
Yung sauce na.
sauce. This is actually done.
Ayan na.
Simulan na
Okay
ba?
Ayan na, malapit na magsimula si Atalanta.
Malapit na magsimula yung assignment ko.
Hindi ko alam kung kakasya dito sa maliit na pan.
Hinahati niyo pa po ba yan, Kuya Bio?
Yeah,
Hindi,
oo,
ayan.
dalawang
So, yeah.
dalawang
Fresh siya.
hati sa isang tofu.
And this one po, firm tofu, no?
Yes, firm tofu.
Firm tofu. Tapos
May
ipi-plate.
plating.
Grabe.
Hindi naman to plate. Sorry, so
Nag-expect na kami.
So, inaano lang, kasi
Tapos
dito natin
ipapatong niya
ibubuhos
lang.
yung kangkong.
Wow!
I see. So, hindi na siya ihahalo pa.
Yan,
Sabagay
nasa
kasi
ihahalo.
pritong-prito na yung tofu natin.
And this one is also okay.
Ayan,
Yan,
okay na.
ah.
Yan na yung shield.
Yes,
in
that's my
Ay,
shield.
okay na yan, that's
in
done.
action.
Sarap.
Okay.
Okay.
For sure, ang
Pero
FRC
ball
fam. Gutom na rin kayo
Ayan.
while watching this.
So, try nyo na itong
Let's set
recipe.
na our table
Ay,
para we can have lunch.
Wow,
Grabe.
grabe. Napasarap
Ito na siya.
niluto ni Kuya Byong. Marami pong salamat,
Thank you
Kuya
po.
Byong. Sa
You're
itong
welcome.
Friday Lent special. Wow.
yes.
Special menu.
Oo. So, sige, tikman na natin.
Tikman ninyo.
Go,
May
go.
pa-taste test to.
Dig in.
Siyempre, kami na lang titikim para sa inyo, FRC fam. Kasi hindi namin ito mapapadala sa inyo.
You are in our thoughts.
Oo. And prayer.
It's the thoughts
Oh,
that
sige.
count.
Tama. Yeah, mismo. Oh, sige. Kuha ka na chai.
Gulay. Para sa mahabang buhay.
Sige, ako naman dito sa mga.
Tunay lang.
Sa
Supo.
rice.
Okay.
Uy, magkakanin siya.
Yeah.
Oh, nahuli ka dun ah.
Huli.
Kinakabahan siya sa reaction.
Oo. Nako.
Unang cooking show episode ni Kuya Byong.
Yes.
Sarap.
Huwag ka kumuha.
Ang madami pa yan.
Yeah.
Sayang. Di ako nagdala ng Tupperware.
Marami kami dyan.
Ayan,
Naon ko
pwede
na to.
mag-charon.
1 week
Mga
na ulam
plastic
ko na
kami
to.
dyan.
Let me taste it because I haven't tasted it.
Grabe, sanay na
Kuha
sanay si
rin ako
Kuya
ng
Byong. Hindi
fish.
ka lang tinitikman ng ano.
Ah.
Niyaya na yung...
Oh.
Wow.
Grabe.
Dapat
kasi-
marinig yung crunch sa mic.
Crunch. Parang
Yun.
bumukbang talaga, ano?
Oo nga po.
Dinig mo, di ba?
Mm.
Crunchy.
Paano hindi magiging favorite ng mga bata? So parang pag ganito, ilo-look forward pa nila yung Lent.
Oh. Tsaka
Hindi mo
mura lang siya,
mararamdaman.
di ba? Kangkong.
Tama.
Tsaka
All of
tofu.
the-
Alam mo, sometimes iniisip ko na tama ba talaga na fish and
Vegetable.
and meat kasi di ba mas mura ang manok kaysa isda.
Tama.
Eh ang concept naman natin kaya tayo fish kasi simple. Pero mas mahal
Pero mas
ang fish.
mahal.
Sarap nga Kuya Byong yung ano.
Thank you.
Noted po sa recipe. Ayan, FRC fam. Try nyo na to.
Napakasarap. Pati yung suka with the bangs.
Mm.
Sarap po. Salamat at Rani at Kuya.
You can join us pag Friday.
Ayan, para ano didiretso yun na muna
Didiretso na
namin yung
ng
kain.
BRB muna ha.
Oo, magsa-seconds pa si Chai.
So,
Pero babalikan namin kayo sa chikahan natin. Kasi ang sarap ng luto ni Kuya Byong. Ayan, so.
BRB.
Ano ba? Okay, FRC pa, makakabalik na kami sa inyo. Tapos na po kami kumain. Sabi natin taste testing, ayun na uwi sa lunch.
Yes.
And busog na busog po kami. Salamat ulit,
Thank
Kuya
you,
Byong.
thank you, Kuya
And Ate
Byong.
Lani for
Welcome.
feeding us.
Your favorite meal?
Oo,
Yes.
pag Lenten Fridays. So, balik natin yung usapan natin no, sa mga decisions nyo as a family
Yeah.
over Lent. So, we talked about prayer, fasting. How about for almsgiving? Paano nyo po yun tinuturo sa mga anak nyo and dinidesisyonan bilang household?
I think this was
2 years ago.
2 years ago. We decided to save up for our fasting. We saved something, so we saved that money, and then at some point during the week, during the Holy Week, we cook food and we distribute it to the street children. So that's
Cook
That's
talaga si
one.
Kuya
Yes.
Byong.
That's one of
Oo.
Siya yung
That's one of the
nagluluto.
things we does. Last year, I think we joined a caravan of we were called to
community.
volunteer on feeding also in the streets. We just go there, get the food, and distribute it in the street. So
Yes.
there are things like that we normally do, and when we do that, we also bring with us our children.
As a
So,
family
yeah.
talaga.
So,
Oo.
when we do that, I think 2 years ago, he cooked and then we
Give out the meals.
give out the meals to yung mga homeless.
Mm.
So, yung mga bata ang taga-abot ng,
Oh, wow.
so tatawagin namin, so lalapit sila sa kotse, and then yung mga bata ang mag-aabot ng mga
Pagkain.
pagkain. So, it's very meaningful to them. Actually, very, sa kanila yon, memorable sa kanila yon.
In fact,
Experience na yon.
Yeah, in fact, last year, our youngest son was asking, are we gonna do that again this year?
Hinahanap nila. Yes.
Talagang tradition na.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will do that this year.
Actually, ang ganda po kasi na-appreciate na rin nila yung traditions. Parang naka-embed na yun na Holy Week, Almsgiving, part yun ng family traditions yun.
Baka maganda
Yes, po.
makarinig from one of your children. Nandito si Amiel, ano?
Yes, Amiel is
nandito
here.
siya.
Yes.
Sige, we'll call Amiel.
Yes, sige
Amiel.
Amiel?
Come to
Yes. Hello, Amiel.
Hi, Amiel.
Join us. I am Kuya Rap.
I'm Ate Chay.
Yes. Magkakilala naman kami. Pero ito si Ate Chay.
Ako talaga.
This is FRC Fam. Kumaya ka sa FRC Fam.
Say hi.
Hello. So, Amiel, thank you for joining us. Actually, gusto ko lang namin tanungin kung kamusta naman ikaw sa experience mo of Lent sa mga decisions niyo as a family.
Okay naman po.
Okay naman. Hindi ka naman napipilitan ni Mama, pati ni Papa.
Sure ka?
Ikaw ba may mga nakwento na to sa side na to nila Mama at Papa? Pero ikaw, ano yung mga nakaraang Lenten decisions mo? Yung mga give up mo pagsapit ng Lent?
Yung mga Latin decisions ko po, my previous was not eating chips, not eating candies, and not drinking any sugary drinks.
Wow. Ano yung
Yes.
pinakamahirap para sa'yo? Doon sa mga yan. Parang lahat mahirap, ha?
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Chips.
Yung
Chips.
chips. Yeah. Mahirap naman talaga
Oo
yan.
nga.
Paano naman this year, Amiel? Ano naman yung give up mo?
Wala pa kaming napapagdanohan.
Hindi pa namin napag-usapan.
wala pa.
Napag-usapan.
At least by
ano
the time
yung
of this
ano mo?
recording.
By the time.
Pero you can ask him kung ano yung
Kung
gusto
ano
niya.
Ano na lang yung gusto mo
Oo
this
nga.
year?
Giving up like 1 hour of my gadget time.
Wow.
Napawaw si
Napawaw
Mommy.
si Mommy.
Ganon kalaki yung sacrifice mo. Ilan hours ba ang meron ka per day?
2 hours.
Wow! Cut by 50%. You're so
Oo.
disciplined.
Pero what? Sometimes I go overtime.
When you're a good boy, you can overtime.
May extra 1
Tingin
hour
kayo.
sila
Extra,
kapag
no?
perfect sila sa exam.
Ayun!
That's
Sa
great.
reward.
Galing naman. So, nakasama mo rin sila, Mama at Papa, sa pagbibigay ng mga food before. Yung mga kinikwento nila na magluluto sila, tapos punta sa streets. Kamusta yung naging experience mo dun?
Okay po, I felt happy po that the people in need were smiling po.
Happy experience.
Memorable.
Yeah.
Anong favorite part mo kapag Lenten season with your family?
Praying.
Praying talaga.
Praying. Paano nyo ginagawa yung prayer nyo as a family? Like, araw-araw ba yun?
Ano po, araw-araw po siya.
Araw-araw. Anong pinagdadasal nyo sa family?
The people in need po, that they may live good, and the community po.
Community.
Kasi kapag nagdadasal ka, anong pinipray mo?
Yung mga features ko po.
Future.
Wow, future.
Grabe. 12 years old ako,
Grabe ka,
wala pa sa
forward-
future yung
Forward
isip.
thinker.
Oo. Wala pa kaano talaga.
May time po
Mature.
ba yung family prayer natin?
Sa gabi, before we sleep,
Mm-mm.
nag-pray.
May structure po ba yun? Or
How do we pray at night?
We take the Lord and we pray for the people in need.
so
Yeah.
thinking and praying for others.
Intercession. Yes.
Yeah, it's also our time to teach them who to pray for. Sometimes we pray for brothers and sisters who are having difficult pregnancy, things like that. Sometimes they have very specific prayers. Like there was a time when we said, "Can you pray for us to have a house?"
Mm.
And specific yung requirement namin sa bahay. Kasi I've said we wanted to have a 4-bedroom house because we wanted to host families in our house. And so they pray that every day, and this is the fruit of their prayer,
Wow.
something like that. So it's
Something-
good to witness that when they pray, the Lord really answers your prayer.
And
Yes.
there is also this specific prayer of them. Sila talaga yung nagdadasal.
Mm.
Praying for their member in community to have a
Baby.
child, to have a baby. Every night, they are praying for their ninang.
Yeah.
And eventually, really, after so many years, she got pregnant and she got her own baby. And it's good for them to witness
Yes.
The Lord
their own
answering their
prayer
prayers.
being answered by the Lord.
Wow.
That's so nice.
There was, in fact, one specific prayer also that we said, "Oh, no, that's too luxurious," as I told them, because we were praying for a car,
Hmm.
and then
Because we have
what-
we have a 16-year-old
Old
car. Palagi kami itinitirik sa daan.
what car do you like? And she said, we want a Fortuner. Oh, no, we will not have a Fortuner. That's too luxurious for us. We want simple life.
Uh-huh.
But we ended up buying a Fortuner. It's not luxury. It was a second hand, but it was Fortuner. Because it was the one that they're praying every day.
Oh, manifestation.
But it's not it's actually not intentional
Yeah, it
to
was
buy. We're looking for an Innova
Oo.
kasi mas malaki because
Yes.
yun nga when we buy something, it's not only our family. We also think of other
Others
people
who
na
can
sino
ride
ba
with
yung
Grabe,
pwedeng
oo.
makisabay sa amin kapag pupunta kami sa community or we will go somewhere, yung medyo maraming pwedeng sumakay, something like that.
Oo.
So, very specific sila. They pray, Lord, please give us a Fortuner.
At
And
yun na nga.
at yun, nung
opportunity
pumunta kami
presents
doon sa
themselves.
second-hand car na,
Grabe.
yun yung dealer, yun yung
in-offer
available.
sa amin.
So,
Yun na yung
Meant to
ano.
be.
So, baka may papadasal ka kay Amiel.
Papalista ko na lang.
Magpadasal
Meron kang
tayo.
trip sa akin.
Ang galing.
Pero
Parang
yes.
part ng prayer, ng process ng
Yeah.
prayer and witnessing
Yes.
talaga yung buong family.
And the family also witnesses the intentions of different kids. Parang ang
Yeah.
ganda lang na pag
Yes.
nagdadasal kayo, nalalaman nyo rin what other kids each kid would want, diba?
yes,
Oo.
yes.
So the
That's
family
right.
that prays together
Stays
will
there.
get a Fortuner. Will stay together. And very evident po yun sa family life niyo. No? Very inspiring that you mentioned a while ago, you start with praying together as a couple
Yeah.
and you end it with family prayer. I think that's a very simple but meaningful way to observe Lent.
Yes.
Na
Yes.
parang more time with the Lord
Yeah.
in thanking Him
Yes.
and asking.
Yeah, actually nice po no na parang as yung kanina niyo pong na-mention sa amin na nag-start po yun na parang couple prayer and then you end the day with a family prayer.
Yes.
Yung mga prayers niyo po ba during family prayer, nag-pray din po kayo na rosary? How does that usually go po? What's your routine?
Well, in our family prayers, we usually don't pray the rosary. We pray the rosary if there's a special occasions
Or
or
novenas
Mm.
like that together with them. But not in the everyday
Yeah.
family
Set up,
prayer set
or
up.
structure. Yeah.
But the kids know how to pray the rosary.
But most often, it is during novenas when there are specific intentions that we really, storm heavens, that the
Yeah.
Lord will answer us. So we do it together as a novena,
Yeah.
Okay.
Intercession
Yeah.
tool.
Intercession.
using the
Rosary
rosary.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Actually, yung tanong namin ni Chaya ngayon is, you put so much importance in observance of Lent in your family. I mean, why? Why do that? Why go through the lens of observing Lent in this way?
For me, because that is our faith. I mean, this is how we live our lives. We are anchored in our faith, and to be able to really say that we are faithful to what the Lord has called us to. We have to be faithful in these things that the Lord want us to do, and it has been part of our life. As it's already a way of life that has been there, and that we just go together as a family, and we believe that this is where the Lord called us, and we believe that this is what the Lord called us to do. That is why
Yeah.
we observe these traditions, and this is not only during Lent. Even on ordinary days, we have specific traditions. During Christmas, we have specific traditions. Advent, we have
Observing
specific
the
traditions.
liturgical
The liturgical
year.
calendar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
But of course, the Lent is really medyo pronounced because there are a lot of things that you have to observe during.
Yes.
I see.
And we really remember and we really impart to the kids the importance of celebrating observing the
Yeah,
Lenten
Lenten
season.
season.
Because like what we always tell them na ito yung reason kung bakit namatay si Jesus. It's because He redeemed us from our sin, but He rose victoriously, and we are saved, we are redeemed, and it's important to pass on that truth,
Tradition.
that faith with
Yeah.
our children. Kasi
Yeah.
di ba, you know the faith from one generation to another.
Yes.
So, it's important
Talaga.
for them to know. Kaya we do it as a family.
Mm-mm.
Kasi nga, we want them to experience and to embrace na dahil mahal tayo ni Jesus, kaya nangyari ito. And so, we also want them to have that kind of relationship with the
When they
Lord.
grow
up.
When they grow
When they
up.
make their own decisions, we will hope that they will embrace the same life that we have actually embraced.
Wow,
Mm-mm.
ganda nun.
Mm-mm.
Actually, ikaw, Amiel, why do you think it's important to celebrate Lent as a family? May
So,
masasabi ka dun?
we can, keep praying for the Lord, and we will, we will fulfill our dreams as a family po.
Wow. Fulfill
That's
our
nice.
dreams as a family.
Actually, ang ganda lang na nakikita rin natin yung dynamic nila
Oo.
during the Lenten season. And hindi kasi yung ibang families, di ba, merong dating of imposing, pero parang sa iyo, it became very natural. I think because of how you're also with your kids, na may one-on-one dates, and then you have these conversations in the dining table.
Yes. Oo,
Pakaganda.
malaking bagay
Common
talaga ang
decisions
relationship
Yes.
at prayer
Yes.
at the center of the family.
Mm-mm.
So, why don't we end po, Atalani, Kuya Byong? Actually, Amiel din, you might want to also address our FRC fam with an encouragement.
Mm-mm.
Kasi sa mga families natin ngayon, hindi lahat nag-observe
Yes.
as meticulously or parang
Mm-mm.
iba-iba rin naman talaga
Yes.
tayo ng perspective sa
Mm-mm.
Lent, ano? Pero how do we want to encourage yung mga families out there and how
Yes.
they can start practicing Lenten traditions as a family?
Mm-mm.
Ikaw, Amiel, may masasabi ka ba sa mga kapwa mo children na kung paano mo sila i-encourage na mag-celebrate ng Lent with their families?
To keep praying.
Keep
Keep
praying,
praying.
especially during this Lenten
Yes.
season. Mhm.
Attend Holy Masses.
Mm.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
Amiel.
you.
Thank you.
Ate Lani, Kuya Byong.
Siguro for me is, I think very important that you start when your children is young. Because when they are young, they really, believe me, they're like sponge that they absorb everything that you teach them. And then it's not difficult anymore when they are growing older because they have learned the traditions, they have learned the practices. Ang tinuturo namin lagi sa mga couples that we handle who have young children, teach your children while they are young. Because when they're older, it will be difficult for them, for you to teach them. So that's why it's easier for us because they started it when they were young. And my encouragement is we have very rich tradition in the Catholic Church.
Mhm.
If you look at our Catholic calendar cycle, you can just observe those traditions and really practice what the Catholic Church is teaching, and you will learn a lot from it.
Ako naman, I think siguro yung encouragement ko sa mga families, na especially with the parents, that observing Lent is really an expression of why yung mga decisions that we do is an expression of fasting, praying, almsgiving, is to, alam mo, it's an expression for us to decrease so that God will increase in
Yes.
our lives. Kasi these sacrifices is a form of allowing the Lord to work, to increase in our life, no? So, when we do this decision of more prayer, more time of prayer, fasting, it's an act of, alam mo yun, self-denial,
Yeah.
so that you can give more or be more to others. Fasting and almsgiving, being generous and sharing your resources. It's really an act of generosity.
Yeah.
And I think that's the essence of Lent, especially what Jesus did. It's an act of generosity of Jesus, of giving His life to us, so that we'll be redeemed and will be saved. And doing all these Lenten decisions is our form of doing that also for the Lord.
Yeah.
Wow, ang ganda nun. Maraming salamat, Ate Lani, Kuya Byong, and Amiel for welcoming us here in your home and sharing your Lenten experience as a family. Napaka-rich.
Yes. Napaka-rich and napakasarap ng
sharing.
luto ni Kuya Byong. Let us not forget to mention. Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat. Ikaw, Chay, ano ang napulot mo from this episode?
I think strengthened lalo ang essence of family in this,
Mhm.
in our story for today. Thank you again for sharing your hearts with us.
Yes.
But above everything else, I think it's good to be reminded of the true essence of the Lenten season.
Yeah.
Kasi no matter where you are, I think the essence is what you carry with you, in your hearts, and how you're able to again practice traditions and understand the value of these traditions. So I think
Yes.
maganda nakita natin yung family dynamics nila Ate Lani and Kuya Byong to actually actualize the
Mhm.
values of the church.
Yes.
Ikaw!
Ako nga, napakaganda na nandito tayo sa hapagkainan nila.
I know!
Sharing a meal together,
Mm.
sharing stories of how to meaningfully celebrate our family life, of course, in the context of our faith. So, napaka-fresh ng experience na makakita ng families na ganito mag-decide for Lent.
Mhm.
Nakaka-inspire na parang,
Yes.
okay, magandang basis talaga nga yung prayer. Of course, it brings us together. Paulit-ulit na sasabihin. The
Hindi lang-
family that prays
Oh,
together.
prayer, food,
stays together.
diba? Even decisions
Oo.
that you share with your family.
So parang ang ganda nun. Tapos to hear Amiel share na parang this makes building their family dreams concrete, centering their decisions in God.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nun. And so I hope a lot more families can experience this. And a lot of you, FRC fam, have like jotted notes, hindi lang mga recipe at ingredients
Oo.
from yung cooking show natin kanina. Pero kung paano rin mas mapapahalaga ang ating pares.
Yes. Thank you again, FRC fam, for joining us in this month's episode. Again, it's Chai,
And wrap, we leave you with the wise words of Venerable Patrick Bacon that
the family that prays together stays together.
and a world that prayer is a world at peace.
Bye!
See you!